Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change LED settings for your TP-Link RE190 using app called TP-Link Tether. So in order to do that, we'll need to select the device that we want to change, and from here go for the tools, find the LED controls right here, click on it. Now you can either enable or disable LED status, and the device will turn off and it will automatically turn on again. So let's just wait for that process to happen. Right now we can't see any LEDs on it, and if we enable it, the LEDs are visible right again. And here's another setting, it's the night mode, which we can enable, and then device will turn off automatically. It's the LED lights when we're in the night time. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.